What's up, guys? This is my niece's dirt bike. This is a 49cc. Today's plan is take out the motor, take the chain out and everything, and then my plan is we're gonna upgrade this motor to a mini bike motor. This is I believe a 99cc. It's the ones from the Mega Moto. So we're gonna try to put this on this, and I'm just gonna run the clutch so it could be a little faster for the dirt, because with this one it struggles on the loose dirt and sand. So that's my plan. We're gonna be working on this. I'll keep you guys updated. What's up, guys? I'm making another video. I'm working on my niece's dirt bike. This is a 105cc. So I was waiting for some parts. I got the exhaust. I got the carburetor. So we're gonna be installing this on the motor. And I'm also gonna get rid of the governor, all the governor stuff, and I'm just gonna zip tie it, bypass it. It's gonna be running a little faster. And then try and mount it on the dirt bike. So I'll keep you guys updated on it. What's up, guys? Making another video on the update. Got the engine mounted. Got the 40 series chain with a 40 series sprocket. It had a bicycle sprocket with a bicycle chain, so I converted it with a 40 series. So I drilled a hole on the plate, on the other plate, and then mounted it. What I'm gonna do is tack it, trying to line it up, make sure everything's good. Just double check everything before welding. Now I'm probably just gonna tack it from the top and then the bottom too. And then I'll probably make some support too, so it won't flex, because I know this metal's not really as great, these little Chinese dirt bikes. So I'm gonna try and reinforce it and see what I can come up with. And then the exhaust is hitting right here on the edge. I might have to probably trim it or try and do something. What I'm thinking is probably cutting it from the flange and then just bringing down more, so it could be right here in the bottom, or a little more down so it won't burn the plastic. So I might do that tomorrow after work. But it's coming out pretty good. So I'm gonna keep working on it, guys. Keep you guys updated. What's up, guys? Making another video. So the dirt bike is complete. The last thing I did to it was installing the new gas tank, because the other one had the two little lines over here for the pump to the carburetor. It was like the lawnmower style with a 49cc motor. So I had a replacement. This one's a plastic one. It has the valve in the bottom, so it can go straight to the carburetor, and I put a valve on it, shut off valve, and it has an exhaust, clutch, the upgraded chain, and then the sprocket too. It has a 28 tooth sprocket, because it had a bicycle chain and a sprocket, so I converted all that. And then the carburetor, PZ22 I believe, with a manifold. Got the little filter. I just wish this one was a blue one so it can match with the bike, but it's all good. It matches with the shock. But other than that, I think the next thing I'm gonna do later is probably just upgrade these with some hydraulic brakes for sure, front and back. But other than that, the bike's good. So this one's gonna be done already, guys. And then just work on the other projects, and I'll keep you guys updated on it. See you guys on the next one. And then Happy New Year's. I'll see you guys next year. Have a good one.